Hi everyone. So the problem that we're looking at is highest salary in department. This question has been asked in Twitter interview. It's a medium difficulty question and we'll try to solve it using Python. So we have been given a data frame employee. This has details of the employee like ID, first name, last name, and salary of the employee. We also have a manager ID. So basically we can see who's the manager of that particular employee, and the manager in itself would be an employee. So let's say employee 1 has a manager 2. 2 in itself would be another row in the employee table with an ID 2. Okay, let's move on. What the question is asking: find the employee with the highest salary per department. So, okay, and we need to output department name and employee's first name along with the corresponding salary. Okay. So, looking at the question, right? How do I structure the problem in my head? We need to find the employee with the highest salary per department. Okay. So, when it says per department, I'd obviously group this by group by department. So that would give me one, all departments grouped by in a single row. All the columns, sorry, all the rows for one particular department would be grouped by into one single row. And whenever you use a group by, we also calculate something. And here you'd be calculating the max of salary. Okay, so that would give me the highest salary for each and every department. Post that, we also need to output the name of the employee. So we need to find out the employee whose salary equals the highest salary. So we already calculated max salary. We would have calculated max salary over here. So we'll just need to input, get the employee details like employee first name and salary, which should be first name and salary, where the salary equals to max salary. So these are the two steps how I have divided the problem, to like how I've divided the solution for the problem. Now let me go ahead with coding this. So first I will find out the max salary for every department. Max department salary. Okay. So I have the employee data frame. What I would do is I'll simply group by. So group by is a function that would accept department as the column on which we need to group it by. Okay. Now, once we have grouped by, now we take the column called salary. I guess it's called salary itself. So I'll just paste that here, and I will take a max of this using the max function. Now, as whenever we group by department, all the columns that are grouped by gets set as the index column. So you don't see it in the data frame. To reset the index to 0, 1, 2, 3 and push those index column, which is the department right now, you need to reset the index using reset underscore index function. Okay, now let's look at the output. So we have the 3 departments and the 3 max salaries. Now step number 2, we need to find out the names of the employees. So let's say I take a data frame df. Okay, now I'm just trying to understand, right? So I have one data frame which gives me all department wise salaries, and I have another data frame which is employee, which gives me a list of all the employees. Now I need to do a comparison between the employee salary and the highest salary. So the comparison is between two data frames. One is this and the other is this. So in order to compare, I need to first merge both the data frames. How I can do that is I use a data frame, store it in a data frame df using a pandas function which is called merge. So what merge accepts is the left table. It will accept the right table, which is max department salary. It needs to know the left tables column on which you would be merging, which is department over here. And we'll also do that for the right table column, which is again department. I could simply have used just one on but okay, fine, let's do it, which is again department. And we need to specify how we are joining this. So I need all the employees, so which is my left table, so I need all the rows from my left data frame, so I do a left join. Okay, so this gives me a merged table or a merged data frame. Now from this merged data frame, df, what I need to do is I need to pick up all the salaries, all those rows where the salaries equals to the max salary, which is this. So how I can do that is, let me increase the width of this. So I'll just take salary. Let me, okay, let's do one thing. Let's run this code first so that we know df equals to pd.merge. Okay, let's run this. Fine. So with that we know which columns we are comparing. So the left column salary underscore x is the employee salary, and salary underscore y is the manager's or the highest salary in the department. Okay. So let's move ahead and I'll call the salary underscore x. So give me a data frame or all the rows where column salary underscore x equals um, equal to, which is I'm actually doing checking for an exact condition or exact match. This would be salary underscore y. Okay, so this will give me all the records that I need, which is these three are the employees with the highest salary in their respective three departments. Okay, now I don't need to output all of it, just a department name and the employee's first name with the corresponding salary. How I can do that is I'll create a list of columns that I need to output. So the first is department name, which is simply department. I paste that here. The second is first name, which is this. I paste that here, and the third is corresponding salary, which is you can pick any one of salary underscore x or y. Let me do salary underscore x. Let's run this code and check the solution. Yep, this is the correct solution. Thank you.